Hey everyone, Rick from Wing Stuff here, and I'm with Arrow Rudd from Gold Strike, and we're here in Laughlin, Nevada at the River Run, and I rode my 2018 DCT out here from Southern California to allow his team to do a complete makeover on my Gullwing today. So, what are we going to do to my bike today, Arrow?
Yes, we're going to go over the whole bike. We've got a bunch of chrome accessories, comfort items, as well as lighting and some safety items, so check it out.
Alright folks, well the bike's done, and I want to thank Arrow and his team for installing all this wonderful stuff on my DCT today. And I will tell you, not only does the bike look fantastic, which I knew it would, but the comfort items alone were worth putting on this bike. I mean, everybody likes their bikes to look good. I love the look, but I love the comfort stuffs too. So anyway, Arrow, thank you very much, and I appreciate everything very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright folks, time to ride.